Hi, my name is Henriette from Prime Strings. Some of you have been sending me messages saying that the diminished sevenths, as they are set in the associated board scale books, are very challenging, and that's what they are. So it's perfectly okay if you find them challenging too. I have today recorded the diminished sevenths starting on A in the grade 7 scale book, and I'm hoping you will be joining me today. And I'll play it through very slowly so you can join in playing it, and then I'll give you a couple of suggestions that you might add to your playing to make them more reliable. So here we go, let's get your violin. Now here you've got a 2-2 shift, and you might well play this diminished sevenths like this. See how I repeat my shift a couple of times so it begins to feel more comfortable. Some of you find this a bit tricky. 4, and then the first finger, which is really a little bit higher. I expect that to be an A flat, but it is actually an A, so my first finger is a bit higher. You see this tricky section here at the top, that is not a place where most of us are super familiar playing in this range of the violin. So I practice that a few times more, whereas the first section, the first bar or so, is quite easy. So lots of people practice starting over again, but I do the tricky bits a little bit more often. So I'm going... Now the string here at the top is very, very short, so in order to get a good ringing sound, the bow needs to come a little bit closer to the bridge. So you might actually watch your bow here, rather than look in your music or do anything else. Watch the bow when you get to the top so that you can steer the bow really close to the bridge. This is also a nasty shift. We're going from 1 Okay, so you notice that all the tricky bits I practice over and over again, and I'm hoping this might help you. So play this video many times if you like, then please let me know what you think and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.